Okay, look, thanks so much for giving up some time to come and chat to us today. We obviously are so proud of you and all your achievements so far this year in Arrowsmith. Just a couple of questions we thought would, make you think about your journey so far. Thinking back to before you started even with Arrowsmith, what was school like for you?
It was hard, yeah, because I didn't know anything, and all the other students would know everything because they did not have dyslexia or anything like that. They all pretty much knew all of the things that we would do at the old school with me not knowing at all.
Okay, how did that make you feel at school?
Make me feel a bit dumb and stuff. I would always say that I was dumb every day after school, and Mum would hate it.
And how do you feel now? Do you think you're dumb now?
No.
Do we even use that word in this classroom?
Never.
Never, because you're all amazing, and you've proven, in the 6 or 7 months that you've been with us, how much that you've achieved. So think about, obviously we do Arrowsmith in school, and we also do the English and the maths. How are you feeling now about your work in school, about all your actual study stuff?
I think it's improved so much. With my maths has been just very well. With maths last year, it was very complex and stuff, but now I can do a lot of things that I couldn't do last year.
And look, I know you find it challenging with the literacy and having to read and write and do all those things all at once. But if you just even rewound the clock to the beginning of the year, you look at how you're doing with your English then and how you're doing with it now, what would you say about that?
Yeah, it's improved a bit more than I would have expected.
Yeah. And what about your handwriting?
My handwriting has improved a lot. So it was very bad last year.
Okay, well I know for sure that I can read your writing now and it's beautiful and neat and all uniform, so it's all the same size lettering, whereas before it's all over the place. So good effort on that. And that's all the word and the tracing that we're doing, and your homework. And it's hard work, isn't it? It's boring sometimes. Yeah, you just want to play soccer probably. But I'm so proud that you kept going with that. So, news of the century is obviously that, you mastered 10-hand clocks with us last week, and we're super proud of you. And so is Toronto in Canada. They were just blown away. Think about the effort that you put in for that. When you first started, if I told you that you'd be mastering 10-hand clocks and being the first person in New Zealand to do that, would you have believed me?
Not for a fact, because I couldn't even tell the time on 2 hands last year, at the start of this year.
And sometimes if I give you the tablet to help me around the classroom, you're able to judge whether another student's getting it right and wrong?
Yeah.
And how does that make you feel?
Yeah, good.
Good? You proud of yourself?
Yes,
Yeah.
very.
So that word dumb doesn't come into your vocabulary anymore?
Yeah.
You know you're super smart, and we just had to unlock that key and just get those channels open in your brain. So fantastic. Okay, just to finish off, I was just thinking about, next term, it's term 4, you're getting ready for college. You're one of the few students that's just put in so much work that it means you've finished in 1 year. So think about those families who are worried about maybe taking their child out of a normal classroom for a year. They think, oh, they're going to miss all this stuff, or they're going to go even further behind. What would you say to them?
You will not get behind. You'll probably go on better than the other kids there.
What makes you say that?
Because all of the things you do here will help you improve all the things you do at your school, your handwriting, your maths, everything.
So, looking back to, say, before you came here, if you knew that you were going to college without having come to Arrowsmith, how would you have felt before?
I would have probably failed most of the tests, I would have thought. But now that I'm here, I have been very confident for the tests there.
So all the tests that I've been giving you, which is at National Curriculum Standard level for your age, how have you been doing in them for maths?
For maths, I think I got 100% in it all. Cool.
So you know all your tables now? You can do all those order of operations, you know your fractions, and you can do those before. And that's in less than a year, Luke, and that's all your hard work and your dedication, because you can do it. We just had to unlock the key, the lock. So look, we're super proud of you, and we're So excited about what you're going to do for your future. I'm going to keep in touch with you and Mum and Dad and see what the future holds for you. So best of luck, enjoy the rest of the year, and we'll see you tomorrow.